Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring assets like Polkadot from an exchange like Kucoin to a secure wallet like Trust Wallet is a smart move. It gives you full control over your funds and keeps them safer from potential hacks. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll keep it simple and straightforward. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Kucoin account with some DOT tokens, the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. If you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from your app store and set it up. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Wallets section. Search for Polkadot, and add it if it's not already there. Once added, tap on the Dot wallet to view your address. This is a long string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Step 2. Now, log into your Kucoin account on the website or app. Go to the Assets or Wallets page, find your Polkadot balance, and click on Withdraw next to it. Step 3. In the withdrawal form, select the Polkadot network. Make sure it matches, usually it's the Polkadot network. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees. Step 4. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and the network selection. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Kucoin will process the withdrawal, and you'll get a transaction ID. Step 5. Head back to your Trust Wallet and refresh the app. Your DOT should appear once the transaction is confirmed, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always verify the wallet address to avoid costly mistakes, and never share your private keys. If you're new to Polkadot, check out their official resources for more security tips. There you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from Kucoin to Trust Wallet in 2025. It's easier than it sounds, and now you're one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.